Ever wondered how to travel on a budget? Picture this: exploring the world, immersing in different cultures, tasting exotic cuisines, all without breaking the bank. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with some smart planning and a few inside tips, it can be your reality. First up, planning is key. Start by setting a budget for your trip. This will guide your decisions on where to go, where to stay, and what to do. But remember, a budget isn't a limit, it's a tool. It empowers you to make the most of your money. Next, choose your destination wisely. Some places offer more bang for your buck than others. Do some research and find out which destinations offer affordable accommodation, cheap eats, and free or low-cost attractions. Timing is everything. Avoid peak travel seasons if you can. Prices for flights and accommodation tend to skyrocket during these times, so traveling in the off-peak season can save you a lot of money. Booking your flight is another area where you can save. Be flexible with your travel dates and times. Flying midweek or at less popular times can often be cheaper. Also, don't forget to compare prices on different airlines and booking platforms before making a decision. Accommodation is a major expense for travelers, but it doesn't have to be. Consider options like hostels, guest houses, or budget hotels. If you're up for it, you could even try couch surfing or house swapping. These alternatives not only save you money, but also offer a more local experience. When it comes to food, think local. Local markets and street food stalls often offer delicious and authentic food at a fraction of the cost of restaurants. Plus, you get to experience the local culture firsthand. Finally, be smart about sightseeing. Many cities offer free or discounted entry to attractions at certain times or on certain days. Also, consider buying a city pass if you plan on visiting multiple attractions. It might seem like a big upfront cost, but it can save you money in the long run. To sum it up, budget travel is all about making smart choices. Plan your trip carefully, choose your destination wisely, time your travel right, be flexible with flights, consider alternative accommodations, eat like a local, and be smart about sightseeing. These tips can help you to explore the world without emptying your wallet. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on a budget-friendly adventure of a lifetime. Travel is not a luxury, it's a lifestyle. And with these tips, it's a lifestyle that's within everyone's reach.